Odiak Pond is its own little aquatic ecosystem. There are abiotic objects, non-living things, like rocks, water, the air, and sunlight. There are also biotic things, living or once living things like grass, fish, bugs, trees, otters, and birds.
Odiak Pond has its own food web. Birds and land otters are at the top. They eat the fish like cohos and sticklebacks. These animals feed on the water insects such as caddisflies and beetles. The insects and other microvertebrates feed on the pond grasses. Who knew that there could be a giant food web in a small pond like Odiak Pond?
Energy flows through the sun to plants. The animals then eat the plants to gain energy. When the animals die, their carcasses decompose and become nutrients for the plants. When salmon die after spawning, they leave behind extra nutrients that were brought from the ocean. That's how everything at Odiak Pond gets its nutrients.
Speaking of salmon spawning, let's look at the Pacific salmon life cycle. In a fresh river or pond, it all starts with the eggs that have been laid in the fall. They incubate under the ice in the winter. In the spring, you will find the alevins emerging. Then you will see the fry, like we saw in Odiak Pond in the spring. The fry get out to the ocean by the culverts connecting the pond to the slough and then sound beyond. Migrating to the rearing areas, then the smolts adapt in the pond. The salmon grow into adults in the ocean and can spend several years there before migrating to spawning areas. The adult spawners create the next generation to sustain the population. At the end of the cycle, the salmon carcasses recycle nutrients, and it will start all over again. Through our monitoring, we found that now you can see that Odiak Pond is a spawning ground for salmon. Now you can see that Odiak Pond is also an important salmon ecosystem.